Welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna unbox Iron Man Mark 45. I got this for my birthday, special thanks to my sister. Here is the outer box looks like. Let's open it carefully. Oh nice, very cool armor. Detailed and nice color. Here is the front. And here is the back view. Let's try how this toy moves. So far so good, and it's a bit rigid, probably because it's new. The quality is good. Head that can be adjusted, and torso that can also be adjusted a bit. Let's try the legs. Still a bit rigid, but I think that's okay and normal. Alright, let's try the other additional accessories. We gotta try the iconic Iron Man pose, like the one hand open. Next we try making the Iron Man flying pose. After this, we will try the Avengers standing platform and stand support to help our Iron Man stance. Alright, this is a highly detailed toy. For a good price around 30 to 40 US dollars. Recommended to get if you're a big fan of Iron Man, Marvel or toy lovers in general. This red and yellow armored suit is a must-have from J-Day Toys. I bought it from the store in Toys Kingdom, located in Indonesia. Thank you for watching, see you guys on the next video.